Angelica's birth sign is Virgo. Virgo women are affectionate and empathetic as mates and spouses. A Virgo lady clarifies the multitude of recognizable objectives and outcomes of adoration. She makes a massive effort to be an intuitive guy. Therefore, she can rapidly move across sentiments and feelings. She has lovely black hair and hazel green eyes. Several fashion and cosmetic companies and a considerable fan base have been drawn to her stunning curves. With 34 inches at the bust, 26 inches at the waist, and 35 inches at the hips, she has a thin body type. On websites like Instagram, she exhibits her abilities in swimwear. She has 5.9K followers on TikTok compared to 354K on Instagram.